Hi, in this video I will show you how to share the Realme Tech Life Robot Vacuum with other family members with Realme Link app installed on their smartphones. All you need to do is to open vacuum settings in the Realme Link app, tap on these three dots and tap on device sharing, tap on share now, and there you need to enter phone number or email of the family member which you want to share your robot vacuum. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.